I love you so much. And I love you with the love of God. But you see, the creed I have signed when I started this job over 20 years ago is to amplify voices of people that will never be amplified. I will do it in ways that will not please everybody. And I'm not here to say I'm perfect. But one thing you cannot fault me for is the fact that I do not amplify the voices of the people that need to be amplified. You said here on this platform yourself that they decided to give the contract to one particular company. And we made a case for due process. I've heard people argue in the past that, all the words done in the past, were done by one just company, they just allocated to them. But I've also had an experience, and I sit with a lot of elders, people like the likes of Alhaji Femi Okuno. I remember when we're talking about this Apapa port situation and a place for them to stay. And Alhaji Okuno, then Commissioner for Works, was showing me the documents. He did show me the bid put forward by many companies for that project. So Nigeria has actually had a time in the past where bids are made for projects. And all I want is, despite the fact that I love you so much, and I'm sure the feeling too is the same, accountability. You talked about the cost for the project, but I know that there's also something called variation cost, the cost you meet after you start the project, which are circumstances you might not plan for. All I'm just saying is, bring out all the cost. Do a spreadsheet, do a bullet point, bring back all the cost. Iterate the cost per kilometer. React to the videos of the people that said the road is not up to 30 kilometers. Put it in this day newspaper for all Nigerians to see. It's just the public accountability we want. We've got nothing.
Yeah.
Once again, Mr. David Umahi, I love you with the love of God. As regards President Tinubu, I think President Tinubu, sir, with due respect, it's quite insensitive for you to say that if you don't like the projects, go to Idumota. It's not fair. Dear President Tinubu, we appreciate your good works. We know you're trying. But you see, there are going to be criticisms. People will criticize you. It's for you to be able to reassure the critics every time. Not by dismissing them. They will be like a pest to you sometimes, like you feel that they are being now. But it's for you to be able to reassure them. And President Tinubu, we still have to put it at your doorstep. We don't know the cost, but whatever the cost might be, it might be hard for a lot of people to pay that money. So please, see what we can do so that people can also enjoy the road when it's completed. That's just all. But don't tell them to go to Idumota. Some of them, their work is here and they live in Naija. There are millions of people that live on that stretch. Not everybody will live in Idumota. Your Excellency, sir, I love you so much, my dear President. Jagaban.
Jagaban! I love when he says Jagaban. Well, yes, all right.